So you might be wondering, how do you exactly fix Vinted's shipping label order if it failed? Well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, when you see shipping label order failed on Vinted, it usually doesn't mean anything is wrong with your order or account. Now, according to Vinted's own help page here, this error most often happens because a temporary technical issue between Vinted and the shipping carrier. So the payment can be fine, the sale can be confirmed, but the system just fails to generate a label at that moment. So the first thing that usually fixes it is simply waiting and trying again later. Now this isn't just a guess here. People on Reddit here reported that the label failed at first, then worked after a few hours later or the next day without changing anything. That lines up with what Vinted says too. Shipping labels are created automatically, and when there's a system hiccup, the trying later often solves it. Also, while waiting, it helps to close the app completely and reopen it. So, or try logging in from a different device or browser. So, several Reddit users mentioned that switching from app to desktop refreshed the order and allowed the label to generate. Now, another important thing here, straight from Vinted's help article here, is to check your email, including spam or junk folders. Even if the app says the label failed, Vinted sometimes still sends the shipping label by email, so some sellers only realize this after checking their inbox. Now, if the label won't generate after some time, a solution that works for many people on Reddit is basically canceling the order and having the buyer repurchase it. Now, when the order is recreated, the system usually generates a fresh label without issues. The key is choosing the correct cancellation reason, like a technical or shipping problem, so it doesn't affect feedback. Now, if one of this works and the issue lasts more than a day, Vinted recommends contacting support through the help section. Their official guidance says to reach out when a label isn't received or isn't working properly, especially if your tries fail. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.